Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering 3-5 classmates who want the same outcome. Do this now. Once you have people, agree a single objective for the session so time isn't wasted. Use a visible timer and a 50-10 rhythm to stay productive. Assign roles quickly. Facilitator, note-taker, questioner. Make sure to split the topic into 15-30-minute chunks and start with the hardest part first. This primes your brain and builds momentum for the rest of the session. Once the group is running, focus on active techniques that force recall. Have each member teach a concept for 5-10 minutes, then challenge them with targeted questions. Alternate between problem practice and quick flashcard rounds, and create a shared concept map to link ideas visually. Make sure to time each segment and rotate roles every 30-40 minutes so everyone practices explaining, asking, and testing. This keeps cognitive load balanced and You close the session by summarizing key takeaways in 15 minutes and assigning one clear action item per person to tackle before the next meetup. Once done, list unclear topics and schedule a 30-45-minute follow-up within 48 hours to prevent forgetting. If attendance or focus falls off, troubleshoot quickly. Shorten to 25-minute sprints, swap a member, or reset expectations. Make sure accountability sticks, use a shared checklist, and revisit any missed concepts in the next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.